Mr. Norton is a case manager for veterans at the Utica Center for Development. He served in the New York Army National Guard and was deployed to Iraq in 2004. He was then transferred to the United States Army Reserve. He served for 10 years, and when he left the Army, he left at the rank of Staff Sergeant. We welcome you to Jones, Mr. Norton.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Marcus Norton, and I'm honored to be here to talk to you today about something very meaningful, Veterans Day. What is a veteran? A veteran is someone who served in the United States Armed Forces. That is the Army, Navy, Air Force, Marine Corps, Navy, Coast Guard, and Space Force. Veterans are people who made a promise to protect our country and our freedoms we all share. Some served during the war, some during peace, but all gave a part of their lives to serve for something bigger than themselves. I am proud to be one of them. I served in the United States Army in the 2nd Battalion, 108th Infantry, otherwise known as the Vikings. Why does November 11th matter? Veterans Day began as something called Armistice Day. That day marked the end of World War I, one of the largest wars in history. The fighting stopped on a very special moment, on the 11th hour of the 11th day of the 11th month in the year of 1918. That moment, 11/11/11, became a symbol of peace and remembrance. At first, Armistice Day was honored those who served in that war, but in 1954, President Dwight D. Eisenhower, a veteran himself, signed legislation, and it was renamed Veterans Day to honor all of those who have served in every branch and in every generation. Why do we honor veterans? We celebrate Veterans Day to say thank you to soldiers, sailors, airmen, Marines, and Guardians who stood ready to defend our country. It is also a time to remember their families, their parents, the spouses, the children who supported them while they served. Veterans Day is about remembering their courage, sacrifice, and teamwork that kept our nation free. What can you do? You can say thank you when you meet one, and you take a moment of silence at 11 o'clock in the morning on November 11th to remember those who served and those who will never come home. In closing, so today as we celebrate Veterans Day, remember that it began with the peace on the 11th hour, on the 11th day of the 11th month, and continues as a day of honor and gratitude. To all the veterans here, thank you for your service. And also, thank you, students, for listening. You are the future we serve to protect. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Norton. The Notre Dame Color Guard will now raise and lower the nation's colors.
Forward. March. Counter march. March. Colors. Halt. Freeze and colors.
Color Guard and Proctor's Choir. Today we are honored to have veterans among us, and many of you may have family and friends that have served or are currently serving in the armed forces. Let us extend our heartfelt gratitude to our veterans for their selflessness and recognize the sacrifices they have made as members of the United States Armed Forces. If you see a veteran or their family, today or any day, please thank them for everything they have done. Thank you. This concludes our assembly for today. Thank you, everyone, and happy Veterans Day. The choir is going to finish with God Bless America.